my God! My arm! Somebody help me!
Oh no! Help turn Poco the Excavator into Monster Poco! Move Poco to the correct location. Press the button to bring the examination table down.
Ta-da!
Take out the old engine.
Yeah, it's gonna be great!
Put in the monster engine. Tighten the screws on the engine.
Yeah, it's gonna be great!
Loosen the screws on the tires. Turn the tires to take them off.
Yeah, it's gonna be great!
Get rid of all the old parts. Put the monster parts together.
Yeah, it's gonna be great!
Dig up all the dirt with the excavator. Attach all the new parts.
Ta-da!
Wow! You've completed Monster Poco. Let's take him for a spin.
Ha! 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 Oh, yeah! Ha! Yeah, it's gonna be great!
Wow, you're really strong. That was awesome.
Thanks to Monster Poco, our friends were able to finish their work in a flash.